Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the background image on your Google Chrome. This is a cool little trick not everyone knows about, so let's get started. Go onto Chrome and open up a new tab. Now you want to click on the pen icon at the bottom right of the page. It's kind of hard to even notice that button. That will open up the customization options for the new tab page. You can browse through a large list of nice photos to use as your background, as well as upload your own images from your computer. Once you have chosen your photo, just click on Done for it to take effect. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.